Dramatic battles. The moves are launched correctly, and the ways to prepare the bait are extremely clever. The secretary bird, despite its elegant appearance, is a notorious killer in the wild. When it encounters prey, it will chase using its beak and long legs to attack the opponent to death. The woodpecker is trying to chase the predator out of its nest. After painful bites, the woodpecker still tried to pounce on the snake's body. But unfortunately for him, when he tried his best, he was still defeated by the snake. Bald eagle flying in the sky looking for prey. It was lucky for this hunt to have a prey lying right there. The hungry wolf has come to chase the bald eagle away from his own. The bald eagle gave his greedy man a kick and then flew away. The wolf alone takes the prey. The sharp eyes and steady steps of the shoebills prepare to attack their prey. When he saw the opening of the prey, the shoebill immediately rushed to capture it perfectly. Rabbit is trying to run away from the eagle's chase. After the pounces, the rabbit fortunately dodged. Looks like it's out of luck this time, as the eagle has dived at high speed and decisively caught it. Use your legs to squeeze to kill your prey. The falcon is watching its eggs. The uninvited guest is slowly approaching the falcon. Seeing the danger, the falcon spread its wings, ready to fight. Unlucky for the snake, when he first bit his head, he was easily dodged by the falcon. Not stopping there, the snake continued to rush up. A single kick of the falcon's legs sent the snake out of sight. The owl is a species that lives in the north, with very quick observational agility that helps it to identify its target. Once the location of the target has been determined without hesitation, it finishes off the prey. When it's caught the prey, it takes the prey and flies back to the nest. The snake took the opportunity to bite the flower kite without focusing on it. Unlucky for snakes, before they could bite, the flower kite easily pressed down on its neck with its legs. Ardea Goliath mainly lives in the water. It usually hunts by standing in shallow water, observing the water at its feet. When prey appears, Ardea Goliath quickly stabs it with its wide jaws, shrinks its neck, and rushes out to capture its prey. Summarize the prey, and it's brought ashore to prepare to make its spoils. Then suddenly, an uninvited guest rushes to snatch its prey away. An owl standing on a tree branch waiting for the sunset to come and hunt. Sharp eyes look at their prey without taking their eyes off it. The mouse was busy looking for food, not knowing that there were sharp eyes looking at him. When the time comes, the owl swoops down to grab the prey accurately and flies up the tree branch to enjoy the prey. Seeing the python approaching its egg, the falcon took a fighting stance. the danger was approaching, the falcon struck first. The blood of the predator made this falcon fear and gradually back down and fell. Roadrunner is looking for prey. There's movement in the dust. Baby Mouse's unlucky bush made it delicious prey. In the cold weather, a snowy owl is standing on a tree branch hunting for prey. They watch and wait in style. When the bowl shows prey, they will fly to grab their prey with their sharp claws. The snake that lies on the ground must be looking for a safe place to molt. The eagle's sharp talons will certainly be a great danger to snakes. Seeing the target eagle fly down and carefully observing the surroundings. When approaching the prey, the eagle discovered that there were many snakes around him. The snakes around seemed to be indignant at the appearance of the eagle. The eagle spread its wings to threaten the snake. Using his sharp claws and beak to catch and knock down the prey. Because the heron's hungry stomach is already working hard to hunt, the first few times may be unlucky. Without wasting any effort, it finally caught the big prey. A bald eagle stands on the tree branch to observe its prey. Its main food is fish. Its extremely good eyesight allows it to detect fish, even on sunny days, by the fact that its eyes. Having identified the target, the predator swoops down to grab the fish out of the water. A hind claw on each foot pierces the fish's body, making it difficult for the fish to escape. The kites are waiting for their mother to bring back food. Mother hawks begin the hunt. They use their sharp eyes to observe the ground. It is their sharp eyes, claws, and sharp beak that help the hawk quickly catch the prey. The war is between the warblers and the snakes. The confrontation seems to be balanced. I don't understand what the snake teased the warbler that it didn't want to ignore. Constantly pecking at snakes, causing the snakes to die. The snake is slowly approaching the poor young birds. It's quickly reached the nest. This hunt seems to be too easy for him without any obstacles. The mother bird realized the danger and started to counterattack, but it didn't work. The snake left with a full stomach when suddenly it was attacked. The predator has now become the prey. Herons usually feed in shallow water. It hunts by standing and observing, using its long and pointed beak to skewer its prey. A snake curled up on the ground. Roadrunner is hunting for prey. When it sees its prey, it comes to crouch to follow the prey. Gently step by step, but still be discovered and threatened by the prey. That's why the roadrunner left. Hey, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, click the like button and subscribe. And of course, if you have any comments, you know where to leave them, just below. Okay, I hope to see you again in tomorrow's next great adventure.